Time to let the students in. Wow! Hi! Welcome! And now let's meet our new students. We're here! The landing was successful! Whoa! Can you dim the lights? Ancient Freddy, you're still gold! Whoops! I totally forgot! That's better! Thanks! Class, these are our Fortnite students. And these are our Among Us students. Guys, you're taking a test today. And you have 15 minutes to study. Starting now! Miss Jennifer left! Bradley, help! Psst, here's a cheat sheet. Great, I'm ready! What? Cheat sheets? Freddy! What's wrong? Look there! What? Don't worry, I have a plan. Not this. Come in. Looks like my plan failed. So what now? We have to do something! Good afternoon! This is just a routine medical checkup. Bradley and Susie, follow me. Okay. Coming! Julie, this is our chance! That's so lucky! Bradley and Susie don't even suspect anything. Let's start the test. Great results! Well done, Fortnite! Check our papers! Unfortunately, it's bad. Cut a llama silhouette out of foam paper. Add foam paper fringe. Shape an eye and a bridle. Add a plastic stick and the back piece. Cut an F out of an eraser. Glue it to another eraser. Join all the pieces. Sorry! It can't be! Bradley, how come? Why? I don't get it! We copied it right! Losers! I know! Those guys set us up! I'm almost done! Here she is! Oh! Loser! What? Oh yeah? This means war! Make 2 parts of a Fortnite gun out of polymer clay. Put in a pencil. Assemble a gun on parchment paper. Bake. And color. What? Is it stuck? That's bad timing! Ha! You think you can scare me with a toy gun? Do you copy? I need a weapon change! I'm not giving in! Ready! I'll cover you! Attack on all fronts! I need cover! What's going on? Stop it! Emergency meeting! He started it, Miss Jennifer! Everyone will be cleaning up! Never! Someone forgot a folder! Susie! No! Is this me? That's so sweet! Power workouts are a piece of cake for the Among Us team. And it looks like the Fortnite guys are having some trouble. Bradley's doing good. Oh, Freddy! I'll pick up this weight. No, I won't. Just come here. Leave the barbell and help me write down the results. No, please! I don't want to! Oh man, my pencil broke! Here, you're gonna need it! A sharpener! Thanks! Shape a cat face out of air-dry clay. Leave it for 24 hours until it dries. Color it like Meowskulls. Glue on a sharpener. Turns out sharpening pencils isn't that easy. Wow! My biceps look great! Thanks for the sharpener, Miss Jennifer! He's never gonna notice me here. My school report. And the report is ruined. Good afternoon. What? My report! What do I do now? Poor Freddy! Here! Draw an Among Us character on an eraser. Cut it out along the outline. Color in the details. Nice toss! Oh yeah! He deserves it! Thanks, Susie! My report is saved! What? How did he do that? Freddy, have you read this story? You should! I loved it! This is sus! What are you doing? Get away from me! Give me my book! He's gone! Phew! Try this! Delicious, right? Those two again! Oh! Your desk is there! And don't talk to me anymore! Hello! Write down a new formula! Susie, I'm watching you like a hawk! Bradley just can't stop! What's going on? You're sus! Prime a notebook cover. Paint it red. Attach a foam paper title. Color in a foam paper Among Us character. Glue it to the cover. You're accusing me for no reason! Okay? Shh! Lunch break! My favorite salad! It's ruined! Watch where you're going! What are you doing? Stay away from me! Why are you sitting here? Leave him alone! My brain is about to explode! Ugh! This noise! I know! I need protection! The fish is on my hook! Great! And my headphones, too! Cut a fish out of thick foam paper. Color it. Make a spear out of air-dry clay. Attach the fish to a headphone case. Connect the spear in the case with a chain. Oh yeah! It's quiet and calm. Perfect protection. Class is over. Let's go eat. Where are the Among Us guys? They were here. Roger, suspicious disappearance detected. Come on, we don't care. You can see exactly where our little Fortniters are on the map. Put a printed Among Us map in a clear case. Trace the lines on the outside using a permanent marker. Color the map. Paint the inside of the case. They are pretty far. Oh yeah! We have time to do what we planned. Freddy, look! It's a parcel for us. Stop! Are you sure it's safe? Of course! Open it up. I was wrong! Gotcha, losers! Ha! I knew it! Susie, this drawing is for you! Oh, Freddy! You're the best! No way! This is not happening! No Freddy plus Susie! I call an emergency meeting! Cut out a felt report sign. Trace it on a board eraser. Cut off the excess. Make a felt decoration. Glue it to the eraser. Freddie and Susie are imposters, but they call it love. Love! So sweet! Yeah, this is love. Oh, Freddie! This is so dumb. Julie, why didn't I notice you before? Hi! Comment down below and tell us who you liked more, Team Fortnite or Team Among Us. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.